In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Salesforce. This is an essential task if you've had a name change due to personal reasons or if there's an error you'd like to correct. Follow along as we dive into this straightforward process. First, let's start from your Salesforce homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account and you're on the home screen. This is often your launching point for many customization and management tasks in Salesforce. Once you're on the home page, move your eyes up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu that includes various account settings and preferences. After clicking your profile icon, the next step is to click on your current name. This is usually displayed prominently after you click on your profile, ensuring that personal settings are easy to navigate to. This action will take you directly to your user profile page, where you can manage several aspects of your account, including your username. Now, you should see an option to edit. Click on the Edit button, which is typically located around the top of your user profile page. This is where you gain the ability to modify your details. Once you're in the editing mode, all fields that are changeable will be highlighted or accessible for you to type in. In the field where your current name is, simply erase or backspace your current name out and enter your new name. Make sure to double-check the spelling and formatting of your new name. This is important given that this name will be used in various communications and may appear on reports, dashboards, and emails sent via Salesforce. After you've typed in your new name, locate the Save button on the page. It's crucial to ensure that all changes are saved, so take a moment and click on that Save button. This action will confirm your name change in the system. Salesforce will automatically update your new name wherever it appears, although it might take a short while for the changes to reflect across all interfaces. And that's it! You've successfully updated your name in Salesforce. Remember, keeping your personal information up to date is important for the integrity of your records and how you present yourself in professional communications. If you encountered any issues during this process, double-check each step to ensure it was followed correctly and consult Salesforce support if needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.